Hi, this is Ange from AIA and Medicard. In this video, let's talk about how you can avail our health card or HMO from Medicard. Steps are very simple. First, talk to a Medicard account officer. You can talk to me or your trusted Medicard account officer, and we will help you and assist you in processing your application for following up or even after sales assistance. Second step, choose a Medicard plan. We have standard and VIP plan. And if nakapili ka na, fill out an application form and send your valid ID para ma-process namin yung application mo. Once na-process na namin yung application mo, you will receive 2 emails. One email notification ni Medicard na na-receive na nila yung application mo. Second email is the approval email which is consisting na rin siya ng payment link. For the payment method naman or payment terms, nabanggit ko kanina na sa second email makaka-receive ka ng payment link. You can use that to pay using debit card or credit cards. We accept any kinds of credit cards for straight payment. We also have installment using BDO or BPI credit cards only. You can avail our installment minimum 25,000, 3 to 6 months installment, or minimum 50,000, 3 to 12 months installment, zero interest. You can also opted to pay via bank transfer. You can pay it directly to our Medicard bank accounts. Once paid, please send the proof of payment to your Medicard account officer para ma-forward namin ito kay Medicard, and wait lang tayo from 5 to 7 working days para sa iyong virtual card and transmittal report. And please do take note na we also have a cut-offs for payment para sa mga designated na effectivity dates. If you're interested in availing our Medicard Health Card or HMO, you can directly message me.